Alright guys, I'm going to do a real cold start on my 1976 Ford F-150. It hasn't been started since Friday when we moved it over here, so like harder could be on that side. So probably won't start too hard since it hasn't been. Head over the gas a little bit. Alright guys, so that was my cold start. It isn't really that cold outside though. It's I believe it was 32 or 33 somewhere in there. So it's definitely warmed up a little bit. Warmer than it has been, but there's just no cold start and walk around on it. Please subscribe to keep updated on this and this issue. Hopefully I'll get that fixed and hopefully get this done before like the new year again. But this summer this should be done. Should be. I don't think there's any reason why it wouldn't be done by this summer. But if you like the video, drop a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. See you next time.